What if I told you that a single dollar, just one, could be the reason someone retires a millionaire? No gimmicks, no lottery, no crypto moonshot. Just one boring, simple rule. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it yourself.
$1 million from $1 a day. Before we dive in, this isn't about getting rich quick. If you're looking for a way to double your money overnight, this video isn't for you. But if you want a rule so simple a 10-year-old could follow it, and so powerful that Wall Street doesn't want you to know how boring wealth building actually is, keep watching. Let's meet Dave. Dave was 25, working as a barista, making minimum wage. He had $1 left over some weeks. Not 100, not 500, $1. Instead of thinking, what's the point? Dave did something almost every finance guru ignores. He started small, but he started consistently. That $1 became the seed for a habit that, 35 years later, made him a millionaire. Here's the dollar rule broken into 3 steps. Step 1, automate before you feel it. The moment Dave got paid, $1 moved automatically into an investment account before he could spend it. Out of sight, out of mind. Step 2, increase it with every raise. Every time Dave's paycheck went up, that dollar became 2, then 5, then 20. He never let his lifestyle eat the raise. The increase went straight into investing. Step 3, never touch it, no matter what the market does. This is the step most people fail. When the market dropped, Dave didn't panic sell. He kept the automation running. If you've seen my day trading versus index funds video, you already know why this patience matters more than timing the market. Let's do the math so you can see this isn't just a nice story. $1 a day is $365 a year. That sounds tiny. But assume Dave increased his contribution by just 10% every year as his income grew and invested it in a simple low-cost index fund averaging 8% annual returns. By year 10, a few $1,000s. By year 20, it starts to snowball, tens of thousands. By year 35, because of compound growth, that small starting habit turns into 6, sometimes 7 figures. The secret isn't the dollar, it's the consistency and the time the money has to compound. Dave didn't get rich because he was smart with stocks. He got rich because he didn't stop. Here's where most people mess up the dollar rule. 1, they think a dollar is too small to matter, so they never start. Starting is the whole game. The amount barely matters early on. 2, they stop the moment the market dips. Compounding needs uninterrupted time. Pausing resets the clock. 3, they increase spending instead of increasing investing when they get a raise. Lifestyle creep is the silent killer of this rule. Want to start your own dollar rule this week? Here's the simple version. 1, open a low-cost index fund or brokerage account. 2, set up an automatic transfer even if it's $1 right after payday. 3, every time you get a raise, increase that transfer by a small percentage before you get used to the extra income. That's it. No stock picking, no timing the market, just automation and patience. Dave isn't a genius. He isn't lucky. He just understood one thing most people miss. Wealth isn't built by big, dramatic moves. It's built by small, boring, consistent ones that compound quietly in the background while you live your life. The dollar rule isn't really about the dollar. It's about the decision to start today instead of waiting for the right amount. If this helped you see wealth building differently, hit subscribe. I post practical, no-nonsense finance content every week. And if you want a community that's building these habits together, join my community. Links in the description. See you in the next one.